Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Okay students, so yesterday we did the reading of chapter number 1, healthy inside and out. So what is the meaning of being healthy inside and out? It means that you are physically and mentally both fit and healthy. It also means that you are caring for your whole self, your body, your mind, and your emotions. And now we have to do the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so in the exercise of this chapter, we have two main concepts. Number one is prefixes, and number two is suffixes. So to understand these concepts, let's watch a video.
Roots, prefixes and suffixes. A root word is a base word without any word parts added to the beginning or end. It is an independent word and can stand on its own. For example, angle, friend. A prefix is a word part that comes before the root word. For example, try plus angle is equal to triangle. A suffix is a word part that comes after the root word. For example, friend plus ship is equal to friendship. Prefixes and suffixes have meanings. They can change the meaning of root words. For example, marine, related to the sea. Submarine, a vessel navigated underwater. Kind, generous attitude. Kindness, the quality of being kind. Let's look at the meanings of the given prefixes and suffixes.
Okay, so what did we learn from the video? That prefixes are the words which are added to the beginning of any word to make a new word. For example, prehistoric and impossible. Pre means before and historic means history. So prehistoric means before history. Next word is impossible. Im means not, possible. So impossible means not possible. In these two words, pre and im are the prefixes. And the next is suffixes. So what are suffixes? Suffixes are the words which are added to the end of any word to make a new word. For example, wireless and hopeless. In these two words, less is the suffix. And what is the meaning of less? Less means without. So wireless will mean without wire, and hopeless will mean without hope. Okay, so now on page number 3 you have a question that you have to make more words using the prefixes pre and im. Look at the question here. Can you think of any more words that uses the prefixes pre and im? You could use a dictionary to help you. Okay, so we have to make the new words using pre and im. You can also consult dictionary if you can't make the words by yourself. Okay, so look here that I have added some words which start with the prefix pre and im. So first of all, let me tell you that pre means before. So preview means to view something before it is shown publicly. Next is preheat. What is the meaning of preheat? To heat something before cooking. Prepaid. Pre means before, so prepaid will mean paid before using a service. So the next prefix is im. Im means not. Impossible. Impossible means not possible. Next is impolite. Impolite means not polite, which means rude. Next is imperfect. Im means not and imperfect means not perfect. Okay, so students, this was the concept of prefixes and suffixes. I hope you understood this lecture. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.